Chef here, just plating up some pasta with pulled chicken. Thought I'd share this with you here. And this particular pasta today has some of the special mushrooms. You can just refer to the other videos and check out more about these mushrooms. Oh yeah, really cool, really nice. Love the color on these babies. It's kind of a lobster color. All right, and I've got a little bit of fresh basil. Do a little chiffonade real quick here. Oh yeah, I like to serve a little sprig of basil too. Here we go. And on this particular one here, a little Parmigiano Reggiano. And finish with a little bit of, this is a special truffle oil here. This is white truffle oil. Yeah. That's it. A little pepper too. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, watch the other videos, learn more about these wild mushrooms, and get cooking. Have a great day. Ooh. Finished pizza looking really good, and this is where that fresh basil is gonna go. Oh yeah. Wild mushroom and other great chef recipes. Click that little like button. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this recipe with some of your friends, especially if they're into organics and vegan, you know, the wild living and foraging. And you might not even believe it's a mushroom. Don't forget about your sponsor. If you need all the cool stuff right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here.